Hi, I'm Katie Cooks and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make these lovely Christmas canapes that I like to call pigs on rugs. Best part of this recipe is they're so easy. All you're going to need is some puff pastry, some pigs in blankets, some brie and some caramelised onion chutney. The first thing we're going to do is grab our puff pastry and gently roll it out onto your worktop. And then using a sharp knife, we're going to cut out roughly 1 puff pastry sheet. Should easily be able to make 16, which is great news because when you find out how tasty and easy to make these canapes are, they'll be on your Christmas list every year. As you can see from the video, you don't have to be precise. The more rustic they are, the more charm I feel that the canapes have. Now comes the only fiddly part. So just about 1 centimetre inside of the square, we're going to gently score an outline, and this is going to make a really nice border when our canapes are cooking. Just be careful not to go all the way through the pastry. Now we're going to load up our canapes. So we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of caramelised onion chutney inside each of the borders. Once you've done that with all of your canapes, then add a piece of brie cheese on top of the caramelised chutney. And then place one of your uncooked pigs in blankets nicely on top of that. Push it down a little bit to make sure that the pigs in blankets don't roll off. Lastly, brush the edges of the canapes with either milk or a whisked egg. Once you've done that to all of the canapes, they're just about ready to go in the oven. So pop them in the oven at 180 for 30 minutes. Until they come out golden and delicious like this. And that is how you make my delicious pigs on rugs Christmas canapes. Be sure to make plenty because your family's going to love them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.